Hi everyone, this is Chilla with Moldex 3D. Welcome to today's webinar about AMA, Ask Me Anything, Advanced Mold Design with Conformal Cooling with Shapeways. So before we start our webinar, I would like to go over some housekeeping rules. Please keep your microphone muted. Please send us your questions using the chat section. We will go over it in the Q&A. And please don't forget to fill out the survey at the end of the session. And today's presenters will be John Tenbusch, Director of Automotive, and Craig Kunar, CAD Engineering Manager of Shapeways. John Tenbusch is the Director of Sales at Linear AMS, part of Shapeways since 2022. In 2003, John founded Linear Mold and Engineering, and with over 30 years of experience in the tooling and molding industry, he has consistently demonstrated a deep understanding of manufacturing processes and an unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As an early adopter of direct metal laser melting, DMLM printing technology, he foresaw the game-changing impact it could have on the industry. One of John's most significant achievements at Linear was harnessing DMLM printing for 3D printing mold inserts with conformal cooling. As an integral part of the Shapeways team following the acquisition of Linear AMS, John remains dedicated to discovering innovative ways to revolutionize the manufacturing sector. Now, Craig Kunar is a seasoned CAD and engineering manager with over 25 years of experience in tooling and molding, specializing in mold making and design. After beginning his career with an apprenticeship in die casting, he became a mold maker and ultimately a mold designer. He joined Shapeways as part of the Linear AMS acquisition in 2022 and continues to drive innovation in design and engineering, leveraging his technical expertise to integrate traditional and additive manufacturing. John, back to you.
Hello, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well today. Today we're gonna talk a little bit about our Moldex and the use of the direct metal laser melting and how we've applied that in industry. We've been using Moldex 3D for, geez, I think it's probably going on close to 12, 13 years, something like that. And while we've had a lot of success in the design for conformal cooling and making inserts, we've also had a few challenges and issues along the way. And so today we thought we would share some of that with you, and they go back to design challenges and trying to get fancy with our design, and just some of the things related to the printing process that we had not encountered before.